Appreciate it, man.
No problem. Sorry about that. Just got another call too. So this one, huh?
Yep, this is right here.
Alright.
Yeah, normally you can hit that top button and it'll say lock it. It's saying critical battery, so I don't even know how to change the battery. But I'm gonna figure it out.
Yeah, it's something on the inside.
Yeah.
Usually they have some sort of thing on the outside to give it a little power from like a power bank or something, but not all of them do it for whatever reason. I mean, that's the smart way to go.
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen you on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and I was like, oh, that's the guy. Let me give him a call.
Yeah, a lot of people actually, believe it or not, never see it before they call me. Although I just opened my company.
Yeah, good for you, man.
Yeah,
It's working.
I was working for that first company you called, actually. Come on. There we go.
Awesome, bro. You're a beast, man. Appreciate it.
There you
man.
go. No